Hi, my name is Jonathan Deisler, and today, in this vid, I will be showing you my different baseball grips. And stay tuned for later on in this vid. I will be showing you how to throw them in the upper deck. This is a curveball grip. When you throw it, it should snap out of your hands. And like this, when you snap it down, snap down, and the ball should leave like this. The ball should leave the hand like this. This is the change-up grip. This is how it should come off the hand. It should firstly be the motion of the fastball, then change when you're about to throw it. This is the grip of the split finger fastball. This is the way the split finger fastball, and it should come off your hand like this. This is the two-seam fastball grip. You should throw it like this, and it should come off the hand like this. This is the grip of the four-seam fastball. It is different from the two-seam because the seams have four, not two, and it moves different. Throw it like the two-seam, it is just a different grip. So that is how they are different, and it should come off the hand like this. This is a slider grip. Slider should look like this when you throw it, and it should come off the hands like this, like a curveball, but a little like this. use these different pitches to mess with the batter, and it's good to not just use the same pitch. You don't want them knowing what you're going to do. So this is why I use these different pitches. This was my vid for different pitches. Goodbye.
What? Oh, never mind. It wasn't.
It should come off the hand.
So I put my hands up, singing my song, and I fly away. Where do we go? You was there one day when I was just a child.
I'm waiting to flip his football.
Okay, sorry.
This is the grip of the 4-seam fastball. It is different from the 2-seam fastball because it seams, and 4, not 2, and it moves. It has 4.
I'm alone.
You should throw it like the 2-seam, but it's just different.
What's up, dude? Bro, hold on. Let me talk. Like, bro, moving stupid. I'm too tight, got the gym on my. Like, I'm too tight, got the gym in court.